How to create a US localized TikTok account. A step-by-step guide. Are you looking to access the TikTok Creator Rewards? Program by setting up a US-based account. Because TikTok
detects your
determines
location using your device.
your
Let's
location
set up a
through
US
device
localized
hardware
account.
and network signals. You must carefully reset your digital footprint to ensure your account is correctly localized. Cards and GPS. You must sanitize your device settings first. Remove physical SIMs. Eject your local SIM card tray and remove your SIM card. Disable the location GPS icon in your Quick Settings panel. From your official App Store, connect to a United States server. Adjust System Region. iOS. Go to Settings. Greater than General. Greater than Language and Region, and set the region to United States. Under Date and Time. Disable. Set automatically and manually select a U.S. time zone. For example, New York. Android. Navigate to Settings. General Management. Language and Input, and set the language to English. United States. Under Date and Time. Manually set your time zone to a U.S. city. Phase 3. Establishing your U.S. identity. Create a fresh Gmail. While your VPN is active, navigate to gmail.com. Create a new account specifically for this TikTok profile. Pro tip: ensure your birth year marks you as 18 to qualify for monetization. If prompted for a phone number, you may use your local number for verification, but ensure it is not linked to the account profile itself later. Register TikTok with your VPN active and connected to the same U.S. city used in your time zone settings. Reinstall TikTok from your App Store. Sign up. Open the app, select Sign Up, and use your newly created U.S. localized email. Do not link your local phone number or existing local social media profiles. Phase 4. Finalizing your account. Once you have successfully logged in, tap the menu, 3 lines, in the top right corner of your profile. Then, select Creator Tools. If the steps were followed correctly, you will see the Creator Rewards Program tab, ready for you to explore. Next up, Growth Strategies. Now that your account is set up, the real work begins. In our next guide, we will break down the specific content strategies to help you reach 1,000 subscribers within just 2 weeks.